Hello again, everybody. This is James Walden back with another helpful math video. This time we're going to do the midpoint formula. For those of you that might be a little confused about what it does, it is a method to determine the midpoint, the direct middle point between any two coordinate points. It doesn't matter what they are, this will tell you what the point is directly in between them halfway. It is given by the formula m for midpoint equals, and then I know that sometimes this looks like a real confusing formula, but what it's telling you to do is it's telling you to add up the x values and divide by 2, and then add up the y values and divide by 2. And that's going to be your answer. So, a couple of examples here. If we want to use the midpoint formula on this first one, A is negative 10, 7. B is 4, 9. Then the midpoint formula, I'll go ahead and label here, x1, y1, x2, y2. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And there is the midpoint between those 2 points. Another example, we'll have C of 3, negative 2, so that's x1, y1. D is 6, negative 12, x2, y2. Here the midpoint would be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus, even though it's a negative, plus negative 12. Notice that the formula had a plus in it, so I went ahead and used a plus, and I just carry that negative down with the 12. Divided by 2. In this case, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 divided by 2 is 9 over 2. You could also say 4.5. You could have also said 4.5, depending on what your teacher prefers. Negative 2 plus negative 12 is negative 14. Divided by 2 is negative 7. So one of those 3 answers would be how your teacher would like to have it. Alright? I just wanted to show you an example where it didn't come out nice and pretty all the time. Sometimes when you divide by 2, it's not even, and you have to either leave it as a top-heavy fraction, simplify it, or call it a decimal. Alright, everybody, there was nothing to that. Thanks again for watching the videos. If you need any more help, please come see me in my room.